Hey folks, how's it going? This is Anthony. Today we're going to be looking at the 2019 Freedom Express 310 BHDS. First things first, this one comes with the power stabilizer. So what that means is you don't have to crank it down. You have buttons here to control the rear left and the rear right and the rear front and the left front. So you can do all your stabilizing right from this unit, no cranking down, okay? You got the propane tanks. Front cap on this one. The benefit to that is helps with aerodynamic, and it also helps from leakage. If you come over here, enclosed underbelly, and there's a table even that you get an outside table with this one. A 10 amp solar charger if you want to have an extended extra solar panel just to plug in and face towards the sun. It'll charge up a little bit. You have these cool solid steps. The benefit to these is you can adjust them right here, okay? They fold in like this and you latch it, okay? There's the latch right there. And they also work as a stabilizer too, like a fifth stabilizer. Come on in. So this trailer weighs about 7,500 pounds, and it's a really big one to be such a big 30-footer. Step over here. This is the main bed. I'm loving this new wood thing that they got going on right here. It just makes it look like you're in a log cabin. The beautiful bed, queen size bed, storage in here. Something new they're doing is adding mirrors to these cabinets. If you pop them open, you got hanging closets in them. The TV turns around, so if you have these doors shut, the TV can come around for inside here. You have a nice ventilation system here. You have two windows to get a lot of cross ventilation, and then you have your ducted AC right there, and then you even have two speakers inside of here, which is something else new that they're doing. Okay, come over here. The Insignia television right here. The fireplace, which is cool, it's ambient light, it's all nice and pretty and stuff, but the benefit to one of these is you can warm it up in here without using propane. So if you're just plugged in and it's cold out, you don't have to waste your propane warming it up in here. You could use them both together, and this will kick in, or your main heat will kick in when it gets too cold in here. You have a Furrion stereo that's Bluetooth and DVD. You have a trifold bed that'll come out to about right here, so you can get two big adults here. You have this booth dinette where you can also, as you can see, is put down into a bed. You can get a couple adults or one big adult right there. And you also have, oh, they got drawers on them. Look how big that is. You can put all your games in here, socks, canned goods, whatever you want. Lots of room. Then you have another little pantry right here, or slash coat hanger, or you can hang your stuff up in there. This is the cool part right here. So this is the bunk room for the little kids. You push this up, they got room in here. This is another futon bed that folds out. So you got two futons here, or you can put a desk here, however you want. Exit window right there, and the window right there, so you got ventilation in here. And also these windows also have shades, so you can black it out in here so the kids can get some sleep from all the fun they're having camping. Then you turn over here, it's going to be your entertainment. If you don't want your kids to ever go outside the trailer, just get them a game or something like that. They'll never leave. All right, then you look over here, more storage, which I think is awesome. And then you have the top bunk, which is a wider bunk than those two. And then you have the little game they can play with the rock climbing. So if you're rock climbing people, you'll love this. Come over here. Bam. All right. So now we're in the restroom. You got little kids or little dogs, you got a tub right there. If you got a big tall person, they can fit in here. Check this out. I'm 6 feet. Boom, no problem, okay? You got your sink right here. Porcelain toilet, okay? Stuff to put stuff on. Coat when you're doing your business. Then the door to let it out. Okay, you know about that. All right, then we come over here. More storage for your canned goods and stuff like that. Then you got the cool Dometic fridge with the wood paneling, which looks very nice. Bam. Freezer. The freezer's kind of deep, so food freezes or defrosts, it won't leak out. It just has a little, it's pretty deep in there. So then you got the new Furrion stove and range. The range, pop that up like that. This also operates as a backsplash too. And I'm liking the new backsplash they got over there. It's not just paper, it's actually something. Okay. Then you have your microwave right here. Then you have your countertop, the domestic faucet. This is a really nice trailer. So if you're looking for a trailer that'll fit a bunch of people, this is it. Come on, let me show you outside real quick. So you have the power awning, your outside speaker. You have the frameless windows. Call me, I could tell you the benefit about that. Tandem axles, plug-ins, outside kitchen. Ain't that beautiful? So you can cook right here on this thing, the Coachmen grill. Okay. You got sink. You got more storage out here. And you got a big fridge too for an outside fridge. I mean, 3 shelves in there. That's pretty cool. Step around this way. If you like if you have a tight spot you need to back into, you can add a backup camera. It's plug and play. So all you have to do is get the mechanism, plug it in, screw it back in. It's easy to do. We do that too. So this trailer comes with the 2 slides. This is the slide that's in the kids, the bunk room, and that's the one on the living room. All your hookups are right here. And your outside shower. On this side, we have the back end of, so this is just the other side of the under storage. So if you have any questions about this awesome Coachmen, feel free to give me a call, Anthony Fuller, 541-653-2818. Thank you.